अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, माय नेम इज़ हिना महजबीन। आई होप यू ऑल विल बी फाइन। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ MGT 501 ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्विजेज़ फ्रॉम लेक्चर नंबर 16, 17 एंड 18। बट टुडेज़ लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं दैन प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना मत भूलेगा ताकि अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स, डिफरेंट असाइनमेंट्स, क्विजेज़ एंड पेपर्स के नोटिफिकेशंस आप तक पहुंच जाएं। लाइक भी कीजिएगा, शेयर भी कीजिएगा। ओके जी, लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट इज the process of attracting individuals on a timely basis in sufficient numbers and with appropriate qualifications and encouraging them to apply for jobs with an organization is called recruitment. Answer is this. Next question is the process of making a hire or no hire decision regarding each applicant for a job is called selection. Description of each question is given here. You can see the process of orienting new employees to the organization or the unit in which they will be working is called, answer is socialization. Here is also a description given. The first step in hiring process is recruitment, यानी hiring जो process होता है उसे कहते हैं. All of the following are organizational goals of recruitment process except जो goal हैं सारे included, जो नहीं है वो है meet work related goals. ठीक है. Description is also given here. Next question is all the following techniques are used to forecast the demand and supply of human resources except कौन कौन सी techniques हैं. सारी bottom up, mathematical, model, zero base सब कुछ आता है, क्योंकि जो नहीं है वो है top down approach, ये include नहीं है. ठीक है. Next question is all of the following factors adversely affect the recruitment process of an organization except potential opportunities for the career development. जो नहीं है वो ये वाला ठीक है पॉइंट है. Next question is a forecast to determine the organization's future demand for employees to realize its goals is called forecasting human resource availability. Answer is false. ठीक है, आंसर फॉल्स है भाई, ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है. To address the shortage of workers, the ABC organization intends to recruit in different geographical areas than in the past to seek different kinds of applicants. The organization may have to use the creative recruiting, यानी future यानी आपकी present जो है वो use करी है situation को. A forecasting technique that uses a mathematical model to experiment with the real world situation is called the simulation. इसे simulation कहते हैं. ठीक है. Next question is all of the following are alternatives or recruitment process except सारे outsourcing, contingent workers, overtime, ये सारे recruitment process के alternatives हैं. जो नहीं है वो है reduction of duty hours. ठीक है. Which of the following ratios help organizations decide how many employees to recruit for each job opening? Answer is yield ratios. Description is also here that you can see. Next question is the process of transferring responsibility for an area of service and its objectives to an external service provider instead of internal employees is called outsourcing. ठीक है, outsourcing कहते हैं इसे. The part-timers, temporaries and independent contractors employees are known as contingent workers. Next question is a special form of recruiting that involves placing a student in temporary job is called internship. Internship करवाते हैं ना students को. All of the following are the reasons an organization go for external recruitment except ये सारे reasons है. जो नहीं है वो ये है to increase organization loyalty तो increase करने के लिए नहीं करते ना. Recruiting is a function of human resource का function है. Next question is in the ABC organization, the HR department notifies its present employees about the job openings through personal letters. This is an example of job posting. Answer is job posting. Next question is while recruiting entry-level operatives and clerical staff, which external source organizations are most concerned about? Answer is high schools and vocational schools. Next question is creating competitive pressure on existing employees is the dash of dash recruitment. Answer is disadvantage of internal recruitment. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास आ गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पुअर क्वालिटी ऑफ सिलेक्शन विल मीन एक्स्ट्रा cost on supervision and training. A description is also given here. A formal record of an individual's application for employment is called application blank. Next question is, all of the following are steps involved in selection process except attracting job seekers. Attracting job seekers. Next question is, all of the following are environmental factors affecting the selection process except former employees. Answer is former employees. All of the following are objectives or recruitment and selection process except सारे objectives हैं जो नहीं है वो है to make compensation plans. Next question is, dash is the example of a source of information that an organization utilize for the initial screening process. Answer is resume, CV जिसे हम कहते हैं. Next question is, after clearing the screening interview for the post of a manager, Mr. Ali is waiting to proceed to the next stage of selection process, which is application blank. Next question is, the selection process aimed at making judgment about a fit between applicant and job. Applicant and job. Okay, next question is, a document used to record a candidate's application for employment is application blank. Next question, I think we last one. ठीक है, screening interviews are used to verify information provided on application blanks. Answer is true. So we have completed our today's quiz, जो कि हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 16, 17 एंड 18 में से थे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्विजेज़ फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. रिसेंट क्विजेज़ भी अच्छे हो जाएंगे और आपका जो एग्ज़ाम है मिड टर्म में ही ये इंक्लूडेड होते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो आपका एग्ज़ाम भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. सो मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.